Assalamualaikum. Standard 5, Subject evs2 Revision. The topic which I took is evolution of mankind. As I told you all, there are going to be three parts, and this is the second part 2, stages of evolution. Homo neanderthalensis. He was physically big and strong. He is commonly known as the Neanderthal man because his remain was found in Neanderthal, a place in Germany. His brain was more developed than of the Homo erectus. Neanderthals primarily lived in caves. They made tools out of big pebbles as well as from the flake scraped off from them. Such tools were fixed on a bone or wooden shaft to make weapons like the spear, axe, etc. The Neanderthals hunted big animals. They used scrape made from stone flakes to scrape meat from the hide of the dead animals. They used leather clothing. They were mainly meat eaters. They eat meat roasted on the fire because they knew to use fire. They knew the art of making fire by rubbing stick or hard wood on each other by striking one flintstone on the other to obtain spark. They knew how to fetch fire, how to make fire by rubbing two stones against each other. Some scientists believe that they also communicated with each other by producing grunts and other primary sound. When a member of group died, the Neanderthals buried tools, horn, etc. along with the dead body. Also, they applied red oils to the dead body before burying it. It indicated that the Neanderthal had established some ritual of burying the dead. In course of time, some group of Neanderthals left Africa and migrated to the continent of Europe and Asia. Naturally, they had to face a different environment. They had to adapt to ways of living and finding food. Therefore, they went on modifying and improving the tools that were essential in their life. However, the improvements in tools took place over a thousands of years. Sapiens is the name used for the human that were more advanced than the Neanderthals. Homo sapiens means intelligent or intellectual man. The Neanderthals and the Homo sapiens were neighbors for some time in Europe. It is believed that due to reasons like their conflict with Homo sapiens and inability to adapt environmental changes, the Neanderthals became extinct. On the basis of carbon 14 date analysis, C14 dating, it is estimated that the Neanderthals became extinct about 30,000 years ago. Fill in the blanks. First, he is commonly known as Dash, Neanderthal man. Why? Because his remains was found in Neanderthal, a place in Germany. Second, the Neanderthals primarily lived in caves. Third, Dash is the name used for humans that were more advanced than the Neanderthals, Homo sapiens. Fourth, Homo sapiens had evolved to the stage of having a fully developed larynx. Question number 1. Answer the following in one sentence. First, they knew the art of making fire. Answer. Neanderthals knew the art of making fire by rubbing stick of hardwood on each other or by striking one flintstone on another to obtain sparks. Second, Homo sapiens also called as intelligent man. Answer. Homo sapiens could draw pictures on the basis of actual observation as well as imagination. He even began to make artistic objects. That is why he has been named Homo sapiens, that is intelligent man or thinking man.